I'm going to teach you how to add anchor links in HubSpot, even if your page doesn't have content yet. Anchor links are those handy jump points that move visitors to a specific section on the same page. They're perfect for long pages, FAQs, or any layout where you want quick navigation without forcing people to scroll. HubSpot makes this easy, but there's one key requirement. You must have content on the page before the anchor option shows up. Start by opening a page to edit. In your HubSpot account, click Content in the left sidebar. From there, choose whether you're working on website pages, landing pages, or blog. Pick the page you want to update, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. If the editor opens with a prompt that says, "Get started with AI," don't worry. Click Skip for now to bypass it, or choose Add Content manually if you prefer. Now, add a text module or a rich text section to the page. Type a heading or some body text. This is important because HubSpot won't let you create anchor links until there's actual content on the page. Even a placeholder heading is enough to proceed. To create an anchor, highlight the text or heading that marks the spot you want users to jump to. Click the link icon in the toolbar, select Anchor, and enter an anchor name. Keep the name simple and clear. Short, lowercase names without spaces are easiest to manage, and you can use dashes if you need separators. Click Insert to save it. You've just created the anchor point. It won't visually change the text for visitors, but it places a marker that your links can target. Next, link to that anchor. Highlight another piece of text that will act as the navigation link, or select a button or a menu item if that's where you want people to click. Click the link icon again, choose Anchor, and select the anchor you created from the list. Click Insert. Now, when someone clicks that link, the page will smoothly jump down to your anchored section. This works great for a table of contents at the top of the page or for buttons that guide users to key details below. When everything looks good, click Publish to make your changes live. That's all you need to do, and that's how you insert anchor links in HubSpot, even when the editor starts with "Get started with AI." If this was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tutorials.